Welcome back to my science channel. Today we're making a pumpkin toothpaste experiment. Are you excited for this one? It's gonna be so fun. Okay, what we are gonna do first is I think we should do this first. So while we're doing this, there we go. Now I'm just going to take this and mix it a little bit. I'll need this all mixed up. Now this is dry yeast and water. You'll need dry yeast and water for this part. Water has to be very warm, because the yeast has to kind of dissolve into like a creamy stuff. Now, while that works on dissolving, I am going to get started on this. I'm going to pour hydrogen peroxide into our bottle. Next, I'm gonna add red food coloring, about a few drops. Then I'll add some blue to make purple. You may know which colors will make which colors. If not, you can check out my colors video. You make colors. You can check that video out. Now, how does this purple look? Pretty awesome, right? I might add a little more of each color. Maybe one drop of more red, because I want this to be vibrant purple, because I think it looks fun and it's vibrant. I hope you like vibrant colors too. I do. Okay, I think that's pretty good mixed. Now I'm gonna add my dish soap, and we'll need about this much. I think that's pretty good. Perfect. Now I'm gonna mix that up. This may look a little. This is a bit of a greenish color because, well, we added dish soap, but that's fine. Okay, now, here's the fun part. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay, let's take the top off of our jack-o'-lantern. And I'm going to take this and set the whole bottle on the inside. Perfect. Now, I'm going to put my safety glasses on so this doesn't get in my eyes. So now, on the count of 3, I'm gonna put this on and then put this cap on as fast as possible. Okay, 1, 2, 3, pour it in and put the cap on. Oh, so cool. Look at all that foam. That's so cool. You want to touch it? You can touch it. So cool. Now this is a cool chemical reaction. When we poured the yeast onto our hydrogen peroxide, it made carbon dioxide bubbles and oozed out the mouth of our jack-o'-lantern. It's so frothy because we added dish soap. I wonder if you do this Halloween. Have fun! Bye! Hi friends, come on, let's play. It's a sunny science day today.